everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a dark green smoky eye. It's something a little bit different that I usually do. I certainly had fun doing it, so without further ado, let's just hop right into it. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows and I'm going to start with my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette and just put the dark green all over my eyelids. That dark green is Enchanted. And there's my baby. So you keep going, just building it up like so. And then I like to blend it with a little bit of Jada all around and just making it kind of like a transition color. I'm going to put something a little bit darker on top of it. Just going with Enchanted again and making it a little bit more bright. And now I'm using a dark brown color. It's called Central Park and it's going on the outer corners of my eyes and just shaping kind of like the shape that I want to have there. And then I'm going to be blending it with a fluffy brush. Now this is blend, blend, blend. Most of this is just blending so I can kind of look seamless. So now I'm putting the shade Diva on my lids as well to just give it a pop of color. And just blending that all over my eyes again. And then we're going with the same brown and going underneath to just make it a little bit more put together, the whole eye. And to give it a pop of color, I am putting on the inner corner Pool Party. I just think that it gives it a nice pop of color and it makes the eye look a little bit fun. I'm also, in my brow bone, I am putting in light just to highlight my brow bone. And now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to do a little cat eye. At first I started using Kat Von D, but it kind of dried up on me, so I ended up using my e.l.f. liner instead. So that's what I'm using right now, and I'm just doing my little wings. Now I'm just cleaning up the edges with a little brush just to make it a little bit sharper. And it's time for mascara. I'm just putting a little bit of mascara on just because I am going to put some falsies. And look at here. This is a phase of concentration. I am not that great at putting false lashes, but I did try my best and it ended up pretty decently. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just put one on and I'm putting the other one on now. Now it's time for blush. I'm just going to put the blush all over my cheek and a little bit of my nose as well. I like that little rosy, kind of like suntan feeling. Here I'm just putting on my highlight. I'm putting it on my cheekbone and also on top of my eyebrows. a little bit on my nose, Cupid's bow, and also my shin. And I also like to put a little bit of extra highlight with my fingers just to make my nose pop a little bit more and leaner. And voila, we're done. I even did my hair, see? This is all the makeup that I did today. This is the makeup look. It's very dark but simple, and I really ended up liking the outcome out of it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you all later. Bye!